Hello dear children, today we are going to see Chit-chat and English workshop of class 8th English poem number 1 Be the Best. Firstly, we have to see the chit-chat of the poem. Here are some questions given below. We have see one by one questions. First question, have you got a prize in any competition? Answer, yes, I got a prize in chess competition. Second question, how did you feel at that time? Answer, I felt very happy at that time. Third question, have ever failed in your efforts? Answer, yes, I have failed in my efforts. I was ill at that time. Next question, do you think we should accept success as well as failure? Answer, yes, we should accept. Next question, what will be your reaction if you are not selected in a team? Answer, if not selected for a team, the initial reaction would likely be disappointed. But it's important to respond with maturity and a growth mindset. Reflecting on the reason for not being selected, seeking feedback, and using the experience to improve for future opportunities are key steps. Next question. Question number 1. A. Read aloud the following sets of words. Here are some words given below. First, river, stream, sea, ocean. B. Hill, stone, mountain, rock. Next, plant, sapling, tree, seed. Next, child, adult, baby, youth. B. Rearrange each of the above set of words according to the increasing order of their size or growth. Answer is like that way. First, A. Stream, river, sea, ocean. Second, stone, rock, hill, mountain. Next, seed, sapling, plant, tree. Next, baby, child, youth, adult. Next question. Second question. In your pre-primary classes, you must have learned the story of the lion and the mouse. Read it in English and fill in the gaps using the words given in the box. Story is like that way. A lion was sleeping in a dash dash. Answer is forest. The lion was sleeping in a forest. A mouse started playing on him. The lion got up angrily. He caught the mouse and was ready to dash dash it, ready to kill it. Next, the dash dash begged the lion. The mouse begged the lion to leave it and said that someday it would help the lion. The lion laughed and let it go. Next, one day the lion was caught in a net set by the hunters. He roared loudly as he tried too hard to escape. Next, the mouse heard the lion and came. It chewed up the net with its sharp teeth and set the lion free. In the bracket, the words are given below. So, we can get the moral of the story is a true friend helps you when you are in trouble. जो सच्चा जो मित्र होता है जब तुम ट्रबल में हो, कोई संकट में हो, तो जो सच्चा फ्रेंड होता है वो हमेशा हेल्प करता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप. Question number 1. Read the words or names given below. Put the big size or bigger ones in the big circles and the smaller ones in the small circle. The words are musky, tree, pine, lake, bass, bush, highway, scrub, reel, sun, star, trail. यहाँ पे जो बिग साइज़ में है या बिगर वंस है उनको बिग सर्कल में पुटअप करना है और जो स्मॉलर वंस है उनको स्मॉल सर्कल में पुटअप करना है. द आंसर इज लाइक दैट वे. In small circle we have write down the words bass, bush, scrub, reel, star and trail. And in big circle we have to write the words musky, tree, pine, lake, highway and sun. Next question. Question number 2. From groups of 4, read each stanza in the poem turn by turn. यहाँ पे 4 स्टूडेंट के ग्रुप बनाने हैं और हर एक स्टांजा जो दिया गया है पोएम में उनको टर्न बाय टर्न उनको रीड करना है. थर्ड क्वेश्चन है फाइंड एंड राइट द पेयर्स ऑफ राइमिंग वर्ड्स फ्रॉम द पोएम. फर्स्ट हिल, रील. नेक्स्ट बी, ट्री. नेक्स्ट ग्रास, बास. नेक्स्ट मेक, लेक. Question number 4. Complete the following with the appropriate words or phrases from the poem. First one is done for you. First, if you can't be a pine, be a scrub. Second, if you can't be the tree, be a bush. Next, if you can't be a muskie, be a bass. Next one, if you can't be a captain, be a crew. Next, if you can't be a highway, be a trail. Next, if you can't be the sun, be a star. Next question. Question number 5. Write whether the following are true or false. First, all must be the captains of the team. This statement is false. Next, a bit of grass can make the highway happier. True. Third, we win or fail depending upon size or position. This statement is false. Next, a scrub is found at the top of the hill. This statement is false. Next, if your work is not important, don't do it. This statement is false. Next, whatever job you have, do your best. This statement is true. Next question. Question number 6. Write an appreciation of the poem with the help of the points given below. First, the title of the poem is Be the Best. Second, the poem is written by Douglas Malloch. Third, the poem has 4 stanzas. Each stanza has 4 lines. Next, the lines that rhymes in each stanza are first and third line, comma, second and fourth line. Next question, the poet compare big things with small things. Next, dash is repeated expression in the poem. Answer, if you can't be is a repeated expression in the poem. 7. The line I shall always remember is be the best whatever you are. Next, question number 7. Read the given extract from the poem Little Drops of Water by Julia Fletcher Carney. Learn it up, set it to a tune and enjoy singing it. You may ask your teacher to help you. यहाँ पे लिटल ड्रॉप्स ऑफ वाटर ये जो पोएम दी गई है इसको आपने सिंगिंग करना है, एंजॉय करना है सिंगिंग, और उसकी जो टून है वो आपके टीचर के हेल्प से सेटअप करनी है. इस प्रकार से आज हमने बी द बेस्ट पोएम का कंप्लीट चिट चैट और इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप देखा। आज का वीडियो कैसा लगा वो कमेंट करके बताना है। वीडियो को लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूले। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।